Hello everyone, welcome back to Competitive Guide by Bodhanapamina's channel. Here you can able to find a series of video lessons related to interview techniques, quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, reasoning ability, general knowledge, current affairs and a lot more. So friends, kindly subscribe my channel, like, share and comment my videos and press the bell icon for further notifications from my channel. In our previous video, we have seen how we have to multiply the number with same number of nines. In this video, I came before you to show how to multiply the number with less number of nines when compared to the given number. So let us see the given number. For example, 235 is the given number and you have to multiply with 99. So 235 is a 3-digit number and 99 is a 2-digit number. How many digits are there in 235? 3 digits, and in 99, 2 digits. So if this is the case, how you have to arrive at the answer easily? So what I want you to do is, first, the given number which you have to multiply is 235. So I am going to mark or separate this number with a colon. So what I'm going to do is, as 99 is a 2-digit number, 99 is a 2-digit number. So from right, I'm placing a colon before the 2 digits. Right. So 5, 3 before I'm placing the colon, and to the number before the colon, what I'm going to do is I'm adding 1 to that number. So what will be the result? 3 colon 3 5. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to subtract this number from this or from the original number. How I'm going to subtract is, I'm writing here 2 3 5, and after this 3 5 we are having 2 digits, right? 99 is there, so I'm writing here 100, and I'm going to subtract or write this 3 5 here. 3 is to 3 5. So I'm going to subtract this from here. So 100 minus 35 is 65, and 35 minus 3 is 32, and 2 as it is I'm writing here. Okay, so our desired answer for this is 23265. Let us check whether whatever the answer we got is correct or not. So let us check this. Right, 99. So 5 nines are 45, 9 threes are 27, 27 plus 4, 31, 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 3, 21. Right, again the same, 2115. So if we add this, 1 6, right, 2 3 2. So I think these both are equal, right? So instead of doing this lengthy process, if you know the trick, it will be very easy for you to arrive at the answer. So let us take another example and practice this once again. Okay, the answer for this is 23265. Right. So let me take another example for this. 2869 into Yeah, 99. Here 4 digits are there. Here 2 digits are there. Okay, so as I have told you before, what we have to do is we are going to separate this number. So I am keeping colon before the 2 digits from the right side. So the next step of our what we have to do, we have to add 1 to the number before the colon. So the number becomes 2969. So this we have to subtract from this number. So as 99 is a 2-digit number, I'm going to subtract this 69 from 100. Right. Sorry. Here 28, 69 and 100 here. So what we have to do? 29, 69 we have to subtract. So 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 6 is 31. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So 100 minus 69 is 31. So 9 minus 9 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. And our desired answer is 2840. So what is our desired answer? 2840. Right. So let us check whether our answer is correct or not. 2869 into 99. 9 nines are 81. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8. 62. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 6. 78. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7. 25. So 25821 is the answer. Again we are going to take the same 25821 here. 1 3 8 plus 2 is 10. 24 sorry 14. 13 plus 1 14. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 2. So whatever the answer we got is correct, the same, right? 2840 and 31, the same one. So friends, practice this trick properly so that it will be very easy for you for understanding. Then let us check another thing. If you have given the 4 numbers and there are only 3 nines, you have to multiply. For example, 2869 into 999 here. So here, how many digits are there? 4 digits are there. How many nines are here? 3 nines are there. So what we have to do, as like previous only, we have to mark a colon before 3 digits from the right. So in our previous case, what we have did, we have marked colon before 2 digits because there are only 2 nines. So but here we are marking colon before 3 digits from the right. So where I'm going to mark the colon? Before 3 digits from the right. So before 869 I'm going to mark the colon. So the next step is we have to add 1 to the existing number before the colon. So how much it becomes? 3869. Right. So what we have to do, the next step is we have to subtract this from the original number 2869, and as this is a 3-digit number, triple lines are there, so instead of writing 100 here I am writing 1000. Okay, so we have to subtract this from this 3869. Okay, so 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 1 9 minus 8 is 1, and 9 minus 3 is 6, and 6 8 2. So this is our desired answer. If you want to check with the calculator. Okay, so this is your desired answer. So this is how you can arrive at the answer so easily. Okay, thank you for watching my videos, friends. Soon I will be there in front of you with an interesting video. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment my videos. Stay tuned with my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day.